to Harbour City Security. We're Wellington based and have been in business for over 30 years. I'm Craig Shepherd. I'm a hands-on owner with a technical background, and I'm always happy to meet with new and existing customers, no matter how big or small. I like to keep in touch and prefer to be out and about at the coalface. Harbour City Security's clients consist of both residential and commercial properties, and both are equally important to us. We will spend as much time as needed to fully understand your security requirements. From alarms to cameras, every client has different needs and preferences, and we can accommodate pretty much anything. We want to get it just right from the get-go. As per our company motto, we are small enough to care, but big enough to perform. All Harbour City security staff are highly trained, background checked, and licensed by the Justice Department. Our monitoring room staff are on hand 24/7 to help ensure your total security and peace of mind. Not to mention personable, unobtrusive and considerate. It would be great to chat with you regarding your security needs, no matter the scale. Please get in touch.
Good afternoon, it's Julie calling from Harbour City Security. Is that you, Lisa?
Yes, it is.
We just received an activation from your home alarm. Is everything okay?
Oh, yes, I'm so sorry. My daughter, she ran ahead and set it off.
Oh, no, that's no problem. Have you got your voice code for me?
Yes, I do. It's HC5555.
Perfect. It's all sorted.
Great. Thanks, Julie.
Have a lovely afternoon.
Okay, bye-bye. Violet! Come on, afternoon tea.
It's Julie here from Harbour City Security. There's been a smoke alarm activation at your business. Would you like us to dispatch a guard and call the fire brigade?
Welcome to Harbour City Security. We're Wellington based and have been in the business for over 30 years. Security cameras are a big part of our business, both for our residential and commercial clients. We supply and install cameras to suit your personal needs and preferences. Whether it's a commercial warehouse, your family home, or even your stables. A security camera system offers you peace of mind. It's the next best thing to being there yourself. Call us to chat through security camera options that will work for you.